Hi everyone. In this video I shall be presenting some questions and discussing their answers for CBSE class 12th students. So the first chapter from Flamingo I am taking today. The chapter is titled as The Last Lesson and this is written by Alphonse Daudet. The first question is, why did French not want to go to school that day? So the learners, if you have gone through the lesson, you must be knowing that French was late and his teacher M. Hamel has given him the task to prepare on participles as he was not prepared. So he was fearing to be punished for his negligence. So he was not interested to go to the school that day, and there are other reasons also which were tempting him not to go to the school that day. So you can arrange your answers validly. So one thing I would like to suggest you, that while you are going to answer, so adhere to the prescribed word limit and try to catch up the points from the lesson. And if it is possible, you just quote few words to just make your answers more impressive. Next question is, why was French not scolded for reaching the school late that day? Actually, M. Hamel was a strict teacher. He was a French teacher. But that was his last day in that school as order came from Berlin. As the French were defeated by the Prussians. So it was his last day in the school. So he was behaving in a kind way. So French was not scolded for being late that day. Third, why were some elderly persons occupying the back benches that day? Actually, this was the most surprising thing to French, as villagers were sitting on the back benches. Those were usually empty. They were there to just show their respect for their country, for their language, and they were paying respect to M. Hamel also, who had given 40 years long and faithful service at that school. So this is the answer. Next, what tempted French to stay away from school? So this question is from the beginning part of the lesson. From the very first para you can draw the answer. So you will be writing that it was a warm pleasant day. He wanted to enjoy the chirping of the birds and to watch the drill practice of the Prussian soldiers. So he wanted to stay away from the school that day. Next, why was M. Hamel dressed differently that day? Actually, that was his very last day at that school in Alsace and Lorraine, where he was teaching French. He was going away from the school next day. So he was wearing his exclusive dress. He was wearing his fine Sunday dress and he was present there in a very responsible way. So learners, in this video, I have discussed 5 short questions, and in coming videos, I will be presenting more and more questions depending on your comments and your requirements. So please don't hesitate to comment after watching the video, and whatever is your experience, please feel free to discuss with me, and like, share and subscribe my channel English Solutions by SP Singh.